Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create artwork inspired image like this. So using Higgsfield AI. So the first thing you have to do is to go to this website higgsfield.ai. Sign in if you do not have an account, and you can actually have a glance at what the website is all about. You can scroll and choose the Higgsfield So section, then click on artwork. You'll be brought to a page similar to this. Then you can actually click on any of this artwork and to make a version like them, or you can click on your generate icon here. So if you want to create something like this, all you have to do is click on recreate, and then it takes you to a page where you can actually edit your work here, or like all you just have to do is read through the prompt and see if it's something you would like, and then replace the keywords, and then you can click on generate, and within a few seconds it will be generated for you. You are given 5 credits each day, and you can alternate between the high and the basic to have better output. So the higher or the high resolution is would take about 2 credits, while the low resolution would take about a single credit. So this helps you create more in the long run. So that's it guys. Let me know if you have any question in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next one. Also, please subscribe to the channel as we're actively trying to grow. Have a great day guys.